And this is an unboxing video of the Maono PD100 XLR microphone. Wrapped securely to ensure its safety during transit. Along with the microphone, we have a few accessories included in the box. Here we have a stand, essential for reducing vibrations and handling noise during recordings. The first thing I notice is its solid build quality and professional design. This microphone is built to last. Taking a closer look, you can see the rugged metal construction designed to withstand the rigors of professional use. The XLR connector ensures a stable and reliable connection to your recording device, delivering high-quality audio every time. Maono has really thought of everything with this package, providing users with everything they need to start recording right out of the box. Whether you're a seasoned professional or just starting out, the Maono PD100 has you covered. And there you go, the Maono PD100 XLR microphone unboxed and ready to elevate your audio recordings to the next level. From its durable construction to its professional grade performance, this microphone is a must-have for any content creator or musicians. If you enjoyed today's unboxing, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and leave a comment down below letting us know your thoughts. And if you're interested in purchasing the Maono PD100 or learning more about it, we will leave links in the description box below. Thank you for watching. Until next time.